putting in, bringing in the fill their topsoil. We got all the grass up. Putting in the mulch first so we don't have to backtrack for the sod. And we got the paver patio in. Just something simple. We can open the gate. They can open that gate and get in and out. You know, block that dirt. We'll put fabric behind it. It's got fabric underneath the base. But yeah, we got quite a bit of topsoil down. Tilled it all up. Try to spray that right there. I'll have to get that out with a shovel. Actually, I'll be able to do that. But yeah, coming along pretty good now. Nice job, Kenny.